Our country cannot continue this way, where we have become negative in everything. We must learn to the right thing. That is that small countries of the world are trying to do things right. You saw how they did Ghana. Wait. Because of he did the wrong thing during Brahman. And then the giant of Africa is one that wants to do things wrong. What is wrong in just a simple process of transmitting votes properly? Simple transmission. Isn't it difficult to allow the elections to go through the normal process? Whoever wins process. So why are you bringing us of confusion? That's what we are trying to make sure that they make that difference.
So are you coming here tomorrow?
No. When they sit together, after they are sitting together.
But the political parties are lagging behind. It's as if it's a Nigerian situation that is working. Like they are working towards this action. They are working testing. After seeing for the first time,
that's what it's good you're seeing me.
Well, there's always a first time for everything. Let us get
now our papa be this show. We know get another go. Now our papa.
Vote is bound.
But what do we want? Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Ori buruku lese. Ori buruku lese. Ori buruku lese. Akpabio, pass the bill.
Akpabio, pass the bill. Akpabio, pass the bill. Akpabio, pass the bill. Akpabio, pass the bill.
My name is Peter from Nigeria. Make we greet our people. Akpabio,
Pass the bill.
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 Akpabio.
Pass the bill.
Are you lazy? Are you lazy?
No.
Are you tired?
No.
Akpabio,
Pass the bill.
Akpabio,
Pass the bill.
Akpabio.
Pass the bill.
Our vote must count. Our vote must count. Our vote must
Count.
Everybody line up behind the banner. Behind the banner. Behind the banner. Our vote must. 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 Akpabio.
Pass the bill.
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 Our vote must. Our vote must. Are we lazy?
No.
Are we lazy?
No.
Are we tired?
No.
Are we criminals?
No.
Our vote must. Our vote must. Akpabio.
Pass the bill.
Akpabio.
Pass the bill.
Akpabio.
Pass the bill.
You are the real distinguished Nigerians. These are honorable Nigerians. What do we want? Our vote must. Our vote must. Are you ready to march to the National Assembly? Akpabio. 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 Our vote must. Our vote must. Our vote must. Akpabio. 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 Are we lazy? No. Are we lazy? No. Are we tired? No. Are we criminals? No.
We are tired of selection.
Yes.
We want election.
Yes.
We want to elect our leaders.
Yes.
We don't want the INEC chairman to be selecting leaders for us.
Yes.
You stole the mandate of the people before. We don't want it to repeat again. Are you not tired?
We are tired.
Are you not tired?
We are tired.
See, my brothers and sisters, nobody can save this country apart from me and you. We must save Nigeria.
Yes.
Nigeria must be safe.
Yes.
Nigeria must be safe.
Yes.
Akpabio, pass the bill. Akpabio, pass the bill. Akpabio, pass the bill. All we are saying, pass the bill now. All we are saying, pass the bill now. All we are saying, pass the bill now.
No.
The function of government is to protect lives and property. And in doing that, they will make laws.
Yes.
The laws that they make is for good governance. That is why we have come today to talk about the real-time electronic transmission of results. We have gathered in our thousands. So we want to be peaceful, march through this process, and we will share our messages in due course. So let us be guided, let us stay within this space, but let it be clear, we are non-partisan, we are non-political. Yes. We are civil society organization, and we are representing the interests of Nigerians. We are not a political party. Yes. Please do not misinterpret us or misinterpret our messages. We are not political parties. This is Situation Room, Movement for the Transformation of Nigeria and other citizens group. That is who we are, sending our message today. Agbabio! Agbabio! Agbabio!
Freedom! Thanks for always being punctual. Thank you so much for the strength of the media, you know, in all of the struggles that we have been through. We are asking the Senate to come back to the real-time transmission, electronic transmission, because there seems to be misunderstanding the way people are explaining electronic transmission. We say upload from the ward level, from the voting point, from the polling unit. When you to IREV, upload immediately. And when you upload, what happens? Whether you have, even if you are saying it's in a place where there is no network, as soon as you get to the network environment, the thing uploads. And so what we are asking the Senate to do is to come back to the same resolution of electronic transmission. You are creating, you know, confidence and trust for a system. Let them not take us back. The real-time transmission is about when people vote, it will count. When you say you have covered the country, a lot of people are supporting you. What we want is a transparent and accountable system. Transmit, let whoever deserves it win. And we need to point out the fact that we normally vote for party logos. When you go on a party ticket and you no longer want to belong to the party, you need to also declare your exit. The position should be declared vacant. So it's not about you going up and down. Nobody ever votes. No person's face is in the ballot box. It's the party itself. So you declare that seat vacant when you leave the party. This is very essential. So transparent election is all we are talking about. Electronic transmission of the results to the polling unit. Don't deceive us by saying, you know, they don't have network there. No, upload. Wherever you go into the network, it uploads immediately. And so this is what we are talking about. We are not asking for too much. This morning is going to be a peaceful protest, a peaceful environment to say citizens can air out their voice. Their voices should be heard.
Timelines for INEC.
The timeline for INEC is very important. How can you now say, because INEC need time to plan, even with the 360 days, they are struggling with it, it's not enough. And now you are cutting it down by half. It's not acceptable. The timeline should still remain 360 days so that INEC can plan very well for the election. The new INEC, even the chairman, need to also organize himself and organize his people. But whatever timeline, and this is what we are talking about, because the transmission is very, very important. The effective, immediate passage of the law is very important so that the president will also have time to look through. We don't want version control and version, you know. We are asking the National Assembly to represent the people of Nigeria, represent the system. We want one Nigeria. We want a good country for our children and our grandchildren. Believe in the system. We believe in Nigeria. We are not giving up hope for anybody. The fact that we are here today means we have hope for Nigeria. If nobody is saying anything, they should know that it's a time bomb. We are asking now, be responsible and respond to the election. Go and contest your election. Be safe. Everybody should. We are calling Nigerians to come out and take charge of their destiny.
What is our demand?
Madam to our giants of Africa. So with that,